This is Alexa and you're watching Gizmo Ground.
Hey guys, this is Abhishek and today we're going to be unboxing the Echo Dot 3rd Gen. I got this Echo Dot on Prime Day sale and it costed me 2350 INR along with a Cisca LED bulb, so that was a really good deal. As you can see on the box, the MRP quoted over here is 44.99, so that's less than half a price along with an LED bulb. Anyhow, it also has far field voice control and this time around it has 4 far field mics instead of 3 which the Nest Mini has. And also this works with a bunch of apps like Ola, Zomato. You can actually book Ubers just by your voice or maybe shop on Amazon. It's a really handy little smart home device. Anyhow, let's just dive right into this and see what's inside the box. Okay, so first things first, we've got the Echo Dot device itself. Let's keep that to the side. Then underneath we've got the charger. Let's keep that to the side as well. And finally we've got some documentation. The Echo Dot manual, I suppose. Things to try. Okay. And warranty certificate, is it? No, just a quick start guide. Anyhow, let's look at the Echo Dot device itself. Oops. So yeah, here it is. This time round it looks really premium. The fabric material feels really nice in the hands. It's got 4 buttons: volume up, down, an action button and a mic mute button. It's got DC power in and also a 3.5mm jack to connect external audio. Okay, that's one thing I really need to point out. This time round the Echo Dot feels significantly more robust and also premium quality. This is soft touch plastic on top and at the bottom it's kind of rubbery feeling, so it really won't slide around. It's gonna be really firm, stuck to the place. It's a really well built device for the price, especially if you got it on sale. So yeah, let's move on to the power brick now. For the power brick, as you can see, it's a 15 watt power brick and it's got the DC line in. And yeah, it's a Amazon branded power brick, and that's about it. Nothing much to it. So I'll be actually testing out all the features soon, like Bluetooth, where you can actually connect Echo Dot to an external Bluetooth device or maybe even earphones and get Alexa features in that Bluetooth device. You can also have audio line out that I've already talked about. You also get a microphone on-off button that I showed you. So yeah, let me use this for a while and I'll let you guys know what's up with this. So yeah, that's about it. Nothing too much, nothing too fancy. Here we have the Echo Dot 3rd Gen. And let's see how this works out for me, and I'll let you guys know. If you want a full in-depth review, let me know down in the comment section below and I'll come up with that soon. And yeah guys, as always, thanks for watching.